What's up, everybody? Well, next up on the Full House Vacuuming to test vacuum performance, we have my Hoover Windtunnel Anniversary Edition with the Bagless twin chamber system. This is arguably one of the better, more upgraded versions of the Bagless twin chamber system. And the reason why I say that mostly revolves around the bin design. It's very nice and upgraded for the anniversary model compared to the original version, as you saw by the past video I made of doing the regular Windtunnel Bagless twin chamber. The thing I like about it has a little trap door that opens, pretty much like any modern bagless vacuum in this day. You can still open this lid from the top. Oops. But you do have to pull back on the opening here just to get it to open up. So you can get access to your filter and filter screen. It's just set up like any other Hoover twin chamber system of the time. But I like this because it's got this nice little filter crank. It can rotate the filter to pick dust and debris off the filter that may have collected over time, which is a very clever design. And just flip this thing down. It's got a Cleveland Wood Products brush roll. This is a factory option from Hoover back then. They do offer these as replacements through Cleveland Wood. I believe you could also get a genuine Hoover brush roll that's used on the older style of wind tunnels, and they will fit on these as long as they're the ones with the 15-inch cleaning width. And I'm actually looking forward to doing this vacuum for the test because it's bagless, and you will notice dirt getting picked up. That's honestly one of the things I do like about having a bagless, is you know that it's working because you can clearly see your dirt being picked up. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get to cleaning. So, let's get going. That air noise you were hearing was just the little diverter valve that when you put the vacuum upright, it diverts all the suction to the hose. As you can see, this makes very beautiful carpet lines. And the bristles on this CWP brush roll are about medium stiff. But this thing agitates pretty good, and as a result it leaves these nice beautiful lines. barely makes it. Now that all that is done, let's go ahead and pull out the dirt bin. And before I dump everything out, let's go ahead and flick the filter. Sorry, I'm not getting the best camera view. Let's go ahead and look inside to analyze. Oh my God. Wow, look at that. And even a lot of dirt collected on the screen along the side. I'm going to pick that out. Woo! Dust flies. So, here's all that was picked up. Ready for this? Woo! Man, look at that. Giant cake of dust, too. I want to say that I have not vacuumed this house in a little over 2 weeks. If I would have gone any more, that would have been just a total month. But this is a month's worth of dirt that just got picked up with a bagless upright. It's fairly impressive. So, hope you enjoyed this full house cleaning to test vacuum cleaning performance with the Hoover Windtunnel Anniversary Bagless Upright. Be sure and stay tuned, and don't forget to like, rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.